TikTok's new creativity program offers an unprecedented earning potential, paying approximately $1 per 1,000 views. This program enables users, including complete beginners, to earn between $10,000 and $30,000 monthly without showing their faces or using their cameras. In contrast, YouTube Shorts pay roughly 6 cents per 1,000 views. This tutorial aims to guide you through the process of getting instantly monetized and approved for the TikTok creativity program from anywhere in the world. We will explore optimal niches for viral success, strategies to increase views, and methods to monetize your TikTok presence. This opportunity is fleeting, as TikTok has allocated $1 billion fund for this initiative, which won't last indefinitely. Let's dive into the details of maximizing your earnings through TikTok's creativity program. The TikTok Creativity Program Beta is designed to rival YouTube's partner program, offering over $1 billion to creators for posting long-form content. It's available in select countries, but this guide explains how to apply from anywhere. Requirements include being 18+, having at least 10,000 followers, and 100,000 views in the last month. Videos over a minute long are eligible for monetization, with payments made monthly. Options to join include switching from the Creator Fund in-app, purchasing an instantly monetized account, or building your profile to meet the criteria. For users outside eligible regions, changing your phone's location, using a VPN, and obtaining a US SIM card can help you qualify. Alternatively, instantly monetized accounts are available for direct purchase, but are limited in quantity. Before we dive into the content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support means a lot. Best successful niches. Facts. Niche. TikTok pays around $1 per 1,000 views. A faceless account gains hundreds of thousands of views by sharing simple facts sourced from Google. For instance, a video with 1.2 million views could earn around $1,200. The success of faceless accounts in this niche is evident from their millions of likes, potentially translating to tens of thousands of dollars through the creativity program. Motivation. Niche. Customization is key in the motivation niche on TikTok. Although re-uploading others' content is restricted, creators add value through captions, additional clips, and unique customization. Faceless accounts in this niche gain thousands of views, demonstrating the effectiveness of tailored content that appears unique to the algorithm. Zodiac niche. The Zodiac niche, featuring simple TikToks related to astrological signs, proves popular, garnering thousands to millions of views. Successful accounts amass millions of likes, suggesting earnings of at least $20,000 to $30,000 without revealing their faces. The specific focus on zodiac signs caters to a particular audience. Satisfying videos. Niche. Accounts curating satisfying videos gain attention, though adding a voiceover or text is recommended for uniqueness. To ensure TikTok pays for re-uploaded content, enhancing videos with personal touches becomes essential. The niche emphasizes creativity and personalization to stand out in a sea of satisfying videos. Alright, now let's talk about how to actually create viral TikToks. 1. Strong hook. Vital to grab attention in the first second of the video. Examples of effective hooks. Hear me out. Quick reminder, etc. 9 different TikTok hooks provided for various niches. 2. Simplified script. Scripts should be written in a way that a 5th grader can understand. Ensures broad accessibility, as not all viewers may be familiar with complex terms. Emphasizes the need for clarity and simplicity in conveying the message. 3. Accessibility for varied audiences. Highlighted with an example of a podcast host rewriting scripts for better comprehension. Addresses the diverse audience on TikTok, where viewers may have varying levels of understanding. Encourages creators to ensure their content is accessible to a wide range of viewers. 4. Consideration for attention span. Acknowledges that many TikTok users may have ADHD or limited patience. Recommends keeping content engaging and dynamic to retain attention. Encourages the use of fast-paced visuals, sound effects, and constant changes on the screen. 5. Visual variety. Stresses the importance of keeping the audience entertained throughout the entire TikTok. Example given of using dynamic elements like split screen with Subway Surfer gameplay and talking. Highlights the need for constant changes, text, images, and sound effects to maintain viewer interest. 6. Avoiding lengthy segments. Advises against lengthy segments in TikToks, as viewers may quickly lose interest. Urges creators to keep the content visually stimulating and avoid extended periods of just talking. Recognizes the need for a constant flow of engaging elements to retain viewer engagement. Now, there are many different ways that you can create these faceless TikToks, but I'm going to show you one very lazy way to generate as many TikToks and Reels as you want. Just use this prompt. You can say, create a list of, then it can be like 30 facts about literally anything. The world, the evolution, cats, dogs, whatever it is. I'm going to use dog cats as an example now. Then you just want to copy this entire table of content that was given to you by ChatGPT, and you want to open up Google Sheets. You want to just paste that over here, and we're done. Now, I'm just going to say, cat facts. And now you want to download this. You want to download this as a CSV file. So you just want to click on Download as CSV file, and then you want to go over to canva.com. And this is a free graphic design tool. And you can either search for YouTube Shorts templates or TikTok templates, and then it's going to show you like YouTube short video templates. And then you can just select which one you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go with this one over here, customize this template. You can of course use any other template which you want. I'm just going to go with this one as an example. Then we can of course customize all of these colors, and we can customize all of these different elements. So I'm going to remove this person, and I'm going to search for cats elements, and I'm just going to upload some of these cats. So for example, I'm going to use this one, and then I'm just going to put it right over here, and we can easily customize all of the text once again. So what you will need to do is, you will just need to make 2 text boxes. This is going to be the first one, so I'm just going to duplicate it, and this one is just going to go as the number, what number this fact is going to be, and this is where the actual fact is going to go. I'm going to make it slightly smaller, because some of these are really long, so there should be more space for it here. Alright, this is going to be the text. Now, on the left-hand side, you just want to go and select Bulk Create, and you want to click on Upload CSV File. Then just upload the one which you downloaded, and as you can see, it has detected we have fact, and we have the description, which is this is the fact number, and this is the actual description. So, what you're going to do is you're just going to select the text, and then you're just going to right-click on this, and then click on Connect Data. And then this is going to be the actual description, or the actual fact, and this is going to be the number. So, I'm going to right-click on it, and then I'm just going to click on Connect Data. And this is going to be the fact number, and then click Continue. And as you can see, it's going to load all of them, and if you don't want something to go in, you can just unselect it with one press of a button. So, it's not going to go all of these. Let's say I want to select all 30, so I want to go with 30 different facts. This is 3.5 seconds long. I'm going to click on Generate 30 Pages. It's going to load in literally a second. And we have fact number 1, and then we have fact number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. So, it's going to load this entire video. Remember that your TikToks should be any from 30 to 60 seconds long, but it can go even longer than that. Now, so as you can see, this one in particular is 1 minute 45 seconds long. TikToks, some of these don't fit properly, so you would have to customize some of them, and it's pretty easy. You just make it smaller. And then you can also change the slides as well. Like if you want to change elements to make it even more engaging, you can easily do that. But it's literally one of the easiest ways to generate long-form quality TikToks that are unique as well. Then just click Share, and then you can download as an MP4 video with all of these pages. You just press on the download button, and you have this entire video ready to be uploaded to TikTok or any other short-form platform. Hope you found clarity and understanding in every part of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.